Did you know Australia once declared war on birds? Not another country, emus. And spoiler, the emus won. Like and subscribe if you enjoy this video. In 1932, farmers in Western Australia were desperate. Thousands of emus, giant, fast, hungry birds, were raiding their wheat fields during the Great Depression. Crops were being destroyed, fences trampled, and livelihoods ruined. So what did the government do? They sent in the military with soldiers and machine guns to fight birds. Sounds like an easy win, right? Nope. Emus can sprint up to 30 miles per hour, travel in flocks, and scatter in every direction. Soldiers fired thousands of rounds and barely made a dent. One officer even joked the emus seemed invulnerable to bullets. Meanwhile, the birds just kept raiding farms. After weeks of failure, the army gave up. The emus had outnumbered